Guys, so welcome back, happy new year. So today I'm going to show you this bot that is absolutely free, and this bot is actually going to grow your $100 to $10,000 if you manage your risk well. Okay, so right here I'm going to show you how to use this bot, and it's absolutely free. Like I promised, this year all our trading bot is going to be free. We want everybody to make money in the forex market. So right here, I'm going to show you how to install this bot on your MT5. So you do me a favor, watch this video from beginning to the end so that you see what particular we are talking about. So right here, I'm going to show you how to integrate this bot to your MT5 and how to trade with it. Channel, please do so to participate by subscribing to our channel. Okay, right here, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to install this particular bot on your MT5, okay? So this bot, we call it Mega Spike, okay? This bot trade on volatility, boom index 900, boom index 1000, and rest of them, okay? So like now, I'm trading on boom index 1000 right here. As you can see, the bot notified us before the pumping, so I actually placed a trade right here. So right now, I'm going to show you how to install this bot. Like you can see, I've already downloaded the bot on my downloads. I've got to the bot from our Telegram channel. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the bot. Let me put this on the screen so that you see what we are doing. It's very simple, and you have issue, please paste it on our comment section and I'll help you on that. So this is the bot, Boom Snipe FX. So you copy it right here. So once you're done copying the bot, you go to your MT5, okay? And click on File. Right here, click on File, click on Open Data Folder. Open Data Folder. So it's going to open a file manager for you. Once you click on Open Data Folder, right here, so let me maximize that so that you'll be able to see it on the system. So once you open like this, you open MQL5, okay? So once you've done that, you open Experts, very simple. Then you open Advisor. And right here, you're going to paste your bot here. Okay, you click paste. So once you're done pasting your bot, you go back to your MT5. Okay, so on the left corner of your MT5, you're going to see indicators. After indicator, you see expert advisor. Then you're going to be refreshing. Okay, click refresh. So once you're done refreshing, you're going to see all the bots you have installed. Right here, you can see my bot here, Bull Sniffer, Boom Crash. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on the bot. So click on it, and here is going to ask you the settings. Please leave it in our default setting. Okay, you're going to leave it in our default setting and click OK. So once you click OK, you're going to set your time frame on your boom index 1000 to 1 minute time frame. Then this bot is already ready for use. So immediately you being notified in your system, you're going to check and know if the arrow is up, you're going to be buying. If the arrow is down, you're going to be selling. Like as you can see right here, I bought here, I sold here. I bought here, I sold here. Right here, as you can see, the bot, it works very well, very, very well. All you have to do is to make sure you manage your risk very well so that you will not lose your capital. Okay, so thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video for more people to see it and earn like you. Bye.